What's up, investors? My name is Artem Dikarov, and in a couple of minutes you will know what is financial analysis. I will first give you a professional definition, and then I will explain it as easy as I can with examples. And if you want to learn personal finances and investing by watching such short videos, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking this video to show the support for the young creator. Many more videos are coming. Thank you so much, and let's get straight to the point. Alright, so financial analysis is the assessment of business's health based on the analysis of the financial data presented in the financial statements, such as balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement. Financial analysis can also help predict the performance of the company in the future. And here is an example. An employee within a company who is responsible for analyzing financial performance of a company has a title of financial analyst. And his or her responsibility is to perform financial analysis, which basically means looking at historic and current financial data, such as revenues, incomes, assets, liabilities, and summarizing it for the senior management. The results of such work will show, for example, if the revenues are increasing or decreasing, how liabilities changed comparing to the previous year, what percentage of salaries increase is projected for the next quarter, and so on. Financial analysis is an essential part of any business because based on the results of such analysis, further actions are taken. And if you still have any questions, feel free to leave a comment and I'll personally reply to you. Check my other videos to see if there's anything else you want to learn about personal finances and investing. Thank you all so much for spending this couple of minutes with me. I really hope there was something new that I learned today and it was straight to the point.